We inaugurate the evening, just drumming up a little weirdness. It gets late so early now. The waves come in mountain phases, linked impossibilities, branching possibilities. I'd see fire where it's not supposed to be. In the empty library at supper time, by the respirating basement door. The dog eats out of an old tambourine on the floor. I've been told you can live a long, long time on the love of a dog, and that things get bitter and bad when the people are wrong, when sleep can be had for the price of a song, late in the day when the options are gone, when the seatbelt's the only hug you felt in weeks, when wrong numbers are the totality of your social life, the obscure strategies of wildlife only flummox the hell out of you, kid. I first saw her in a megastore, the Dayglow raven, born into a free fall, like plastic Easter basket grass, falling from an overpass. The fulfillment of a 10th grade prophecy, a motel masterpiece. Blind to the branching possibilities, blind to linked impossibilities. Teardrops were standing in my eyes, like deer before they bolt. It was like I was stretching my arm through the cat door to heaven. I was thinking I could lick the frosting off these summer days if the nights were half as sweet. Me like a banged up dog walking half sideways. I adored the way she modified my mornings, when I'd wake up in the calm shoals of a bed, somersaults and smoke in a universe of sleep, before she slipped into her heritage and disappeared. Now every second thought is out of control. I guess in a way I long to be rad. When I was with her, it felt wrong to be sad. Did I tell you an angel finally came and shut my mouth? There was a smile and a tear in her voice too. And she taught me to relight and relight again. They tell me you can live a long, long time on the love of a dog. Things get bitter and bad, and sleep can be had late in the day when the options seem gone. Please let your eyes be a friend to me again. It's just malfunctioning teardrops. Cowboy, overflow of the heart.